Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to turn off message requests on Instagram. Firstly, open Instagram on your device. Tap your profile icon on the bottom right corner and then click on the three lines in the top right corner. Tap Settings and Privacy, then scroll to Privacy. Tap Messages and Story Replies and then choose Message Controls. Select Other on Instagram and then choose Don't Receive Requests. This will make you stop receiving messages requests from people you don't follow and keeps DMs from people you follow, prevents unknown users from landing in your request folder, and does not block existing conversations. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.